Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm bringing you a special Bombay biryani recipe made with homemade spices. Once you try this recipe, you'll stop buying ready-made masala from the market. Using just a few spices, we'll prepare the best Bombay biryani masala. And the best part is, all these spices are commonly available in every home. Let's start the recipe. First, we'll prepare the Bombay biryani masala. Coriander seeds for tablespoon. White cumin 2 tablespoons. Black peppercorn half tablespoon. Cloves 10 pieces. 6 green cardamom. 2 black cardamom. 3 pieces of bay leaves. Dry ginger ½ piece or 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Cinnamon stick 1 piece. 2 petals of mace. 1 star anise. Dry roast all the spices. Now add red pepper powder 2 tablespoons. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of salt. Now add it to the roasted spices and grind it. Our Bombay biryani masala is ready. Use for tablespoon for 1 kilogram meat and 1 kilogram rice. Now let's make Bombay biryani. Add ½ cup oil. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Sauteed for a minute. Now add 800 grams of chicken. Cook for 5 minutes on high flame. After 5 minutes, add 3 tablespoons of Bombay biryani masala. Mix well. Add for medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Then add 1 cup of yogurt. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. After 15 minutes, add ½ cup of brown onions or 2 medium-sized brown onions. Add salt if required. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add boiled potatoes. Our Bombay biryani gravy is ready. In another pan, add 3 ltr of water. Then add 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 7 to 8 cloves. One cinnamon stick. 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn. Add 800 grams of washed and soaked rice. Add 3 tablespoons of dried plums. Cook until 3/4 done. Now it's time to layer the biryani for dum. Add rice. Sprinkle orange food color. Add brown onions. Sliced tomatoes. Green chilies. Then add gravy. Second layer. Third layer. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Put it on dum for 25 minutes. Alhamdulillah. Bombay biryani with homemade Bombay Biryani Masala is ready. Follow this biryani recipe step by step. You'll make the perfect biryani. Your family will fall in love with this biryani. The aroma and the look are simply heavenly. Homemade masala, perfect dum, unforgettable taste. Real taste comes from real spices. When your family smiles after the first bite, mission accomplished. Home-style cooking, unforgettable taste. Cooking in a budget shows you how. Simple ingredients can create extraordinary flavors. Make your kitchen smell like heaven. Like, share, and subscribe. To Cooking in a Budget. Take care, eat deliciously, and stay healthy. We'll meet soon with more tasty recipes. Till then, remember me in your prayers and share your feedback. Allah Hafiz.